Hello, in this Python programming video, we are going to look at the top level widget, which basically allows us to create multiple windows. You can think of them as child windows of our master window. And this is our master window right here. So we don't need this. We'll only need one main loop, and that will be with our top level widget window. So first of all, we're going to do window.title. This isn't compulsory, but this will help us distinguish the different windows. Call it master. Now we're going to create our top level window. So top level, now title. I will set this to child. And finally, one last line, so you can guess it. It's just the main loop. And you just do that to the top level elements. So now if we run it, so both windows are rendering. Master is selected by default. If I were to select it, as you can see, we can select it. We can manipulate these pretty much as if they were just normal windows. The only difference is, let me just launch them up again. If I close the master window down, it closes both of them down. I think you see where I'm going with this. If I close the child window down, the master window is still open. So that's it for the top level element. It's a quick video because it's a quick topic, but you can do some really amazing things. And along with this video, there's an extra link that shows you all the different features that you can apply to top level widgets. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. And as usual, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.